On Wednesday, the central bank raised its short-term interest rate by 0.25 percentage point, a slowdown from the aggressive pace of increases last year. U.S. stocks were mixed on Thursday, as a rise in tech stocks followed the Federal Reserve's latest interest rate hike. Even in a rough 2022 year for big tech as a whole, Snap stood out as uniquely tough. The company reported a net loss of $288 million, a stark comparison to the $23 million net profit Snap reported at the same time last year. In this market, the last thing investors have been rewarding is a bottom-line miss versus expectations of any magnitude. Unless you are Meta. Shares of the social media giant exploded more than 20% in midday Thursday following a whopper of an earnings shortfall. The tone change from Zuckerberg wasn't overlooked on Wall Street, which has been itching to re-engage with the stock from a long perspective. Investors have loved Meta for its ability to print money but soured on the name in 2022 amid slowing sales and fresh restructuring efforts. Apple missed earning expectation both top and bottom, and Amazon disappointed as sales growth from AWS slowed during the fourth quarter. Now that the annual inflation rate, measured by the Consumer Price Index, fell for the sixth consecutive month in December to 6.5%, it gives hope that inflation is heading in the right direction. However, gas prices, which had fallen back after peaking last summer, are on the rise again. Chevron announced a $75 billion share buyback and raised its dividend to 3.44%, while ExxonMobil paid $30 billion in dividends and buybacks in 2022, therefore confirming what mature companies should do, which is to generate a lot of cash and return it to shareholders. The electric vehicle sector was also rebounding this earnings season. Industry leader Tesla, for instance, has seen its share price rise by more than 50% in the past month. Options market data indicates a potential trading range of 165 to 200 for Tesla shares next week. Wage growth data suggested a slowdown in inflation aligned with the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. As for the Ape Nation, share price were skyrocketing on Thursday. AMC took a 10% jump, while AP reached a 12% peak mid-afternoon. Alright stonkers, if you enjoyed this video, click on subscribe, so I know to keep making more like this one.